Good night. How are you? This is the nightly fireworks, on 28th December 2024 in Niagara Fall, Niagara Parks, basically. So we had a trip, we have a trip to Niagara Fall, and there we have seen the nightly fireworks shows. They are so beautiful, and there's nothing quite like the sight of exploding fireworks on the brink of Niagara Falls to make your trip a memorable. You can catch Canada's longest running fireworks series in winter and it's called Winter Festival of Lights. Fireworks view display can be viewed from many beautiful vantage points while Niagara Falls outdoor spaces. This is skylon outdoor spaces in Niagara Park high above at the skylon tower. You can enjoy unparalleled views of the fireworks from any side of the Niagara Park and from this skylon, you know, and the fireworks so beautiful. And it's a winter, December 28th. Snow has melted, but the walking path or the walking way is very slippery, and we are walking on this slippery. It's wet. It's not slippery. It's wet, and when it's wet, we have to take very careful steps. You can see the beautiful lightnings over here around the park, and they look so awesome. You know that the falls in a whole see the falls like Niagara Falls in a whole new light during illumination with different colors. Dancing of the formations. You will be immersed by the stunning sight of the lights. Frosty view from Skylon Tower is very awesome. It's a beautiful vista. Woven waterfall are a absolutely stunning sight. See the beautiful stunning lights. They look awesome. So it's a good trip and it will be continued till 31st December, the New Year Eve. If you are in Canada, you can visit Niagara, and if you are visitors here or visit visa, you can enjoy the beautiful wonders of Canada. Wonderful place, and everything is so beautiful because of the lights, illumination of lights, different colors of lights on the trees. They look beautiful. So we are on the trip to Niagara Falls, but this is the area which is near the you can say park, Niagara Parks, and I enjoying here. This is the Niagara Parks area where we enjoy. We are welcome by Niagara Parks and see now the beautiful lights. I enjoyed this trip and was amused. Every year I am amused. Every year whenever I go in this place, I find it very delightful. And you can say wonderful. Lights changes my thinking thoughts, and I feel so energetic, so energized in this winter. Then I memories from my channel. Awesome. They're wonderful. They are wonderful in this environment. In this night, enjoy wonderful illumination of fireworks, festive fireworks of 2024. Hope you have liked my video and you must have enjoyed the fireworks. Those who are like watching my video, they might be enjoying it. So beautiful, wonderful. Take care and please don't forget to share, subscribe and like my video, and you can also add some comments. This will help me to increase my motivation, and I like
Upside down house. Now
so
look at it on your
beautiful.
right.
Niagara downtown is here. We are on the
There is an
downtown
upside
now,
house
and
in I think almost each country. Like केल में भी है. मैं तो नहीं गई. एक upside down house होता है. वो illusion दिखाते हैं that you are hanging upside down.
like from wherever I can view this town. The whole of the downtown is so much festively decorated, and this is the site of the Niagara Falls. Oh, see there.